DFZ, welcome to my crib.
Gets you too.
Abby Harrison's room.
Hi.
Great room. 2 more bedrooms, and then come over here. Beachfront, baby.
It's a big help.
Yay!
Good team.
Look at the new chef we hired. There you go.
You realized it was a good idea.
Welcome back, people. It's been like 4 years, I think. It's been a long time. Back here with weather update from OBX. Sun is shining, ocean is warm, the waves are good. We're playing cornhole. Gideon's playing in the Sam Madison. I mean, it couldn't be any better. There's a slight breeze. Feels amazing. Feels great. Sun is shining. Pedestrians, it's amazing.
Pedestrians.
We'll catch you tomorrow with another weather update. Lily, what's that song that goes like, I don't know what you've been told?
How's your first day here at the beach?
Awesome, great weather. Nice and refreshing.
I seen this bald guy out in the ocean. I thought Jerry was out here for a minute. And then you turned around. I'm like, oh, that's Brian.
My dad doesn't come out here.
I know.
Guys, look close enough. Well, I guess they're not playing. They're probably deciding what kind of crash they're gonna be.
But the guys are about to be playing crash.
It's gonna go in your ear over that.
Go get a shot.